Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me here on Product Perspective. Today we are doing a full review on the Apple AirPods Pro, which are Apple's newest AirPods released over a month ago, but they are incredible and I did an unboxing video and kind of partial review what I thought. But I've used them for about 10 days now, give or take a little bit. So I'm going to give you a full review of what I think. So first of all, I do want to say one thing that I kind of don't like about it, and I'll first say that first, is how they fit actually. And a lot of people are like, oh, they fit incredible, and I do agree. It's not that I don't like the fit at all. I mean, the fit is incredible. As you can see, they're small, they are really comfortable. But my ears are kind of odd to where other AirPods and other earbuds just didn't really fit that well. I always kind of have to move them. And these I do, but I can wear them for a couple hours and they're perfectly fine. But then my ear starts getting a little bit of sore, kind of inside the inside spot. So not really a big deal, but just something that if you do have odd ears, don't expect these to be the perfect fit, but they are a really nice fit. The quality, how they're built is really nice. They are very light. You don't feel them when they're in your ear, weight at all. The ends actually have this really nice silicone feel, and they are really comfortable in that silicone there. They fit, you don't really feel that inside your ear part. The stems are a lot shorter, and I do really like the feel of them, how they're built. And overall, the case is built really nice as well. It has a metal hinge, and it's wireless charging, which is another really nice thing, because all you have to do is stick it right on that wireless charger, and it charges. So really, really nice. Let's talk about sound now. The sound is actually really incredible. I do really like the sound. The bass is incredible. The overall just experience of the sound going into your ears are just really, really high quality. And I mean, they are $250, so that does make sense that they're gonna put out some good quality. So, just because other AirPods didn't have the best, even though they were expensive, so expect good quality. The overall experience with the sound, it's called transparency mode. So when you pinch the stem, that is what activates noise canceling, and that will pretty much take out all your surroundings. You don't hear hardly anything. Really good for earbuds, which I do really like. And then you pinch it again and it goes to transparency, and that is to where it brings the whole inside world into your ears, and it feels like you're not wearing anything, because the sound is just like talking. There's no muffling, there's no cutting out any noise, because it's actually using tiny microphones and putting that into your ear. So really weird, but really nice. These air vents also let some air in there, and part of that whole transparency sound thing. Really, really nice. Otherwise, I do really like them. I don't know if they're worth the $250 for like all over. I mean, they are an Apple product, so that right there just makes the $250. But the overall quality and everything, I think is worth that $250. Maybe a little bit less. I did get a Black Friday deal, so if you see a deal, jump on it. And they are sold out at a lot of places right now, so very hard to get these right now. But I do highly recommend them. So there you go, there's the full review. I can't think of anything else that I didn't like about them. As you can see, I have them right there. You can kind of see a big picture of them. Yeah, I do really like them. They connect to your phone seamlessly. They also have the built-in text. It's called Siri text or something. So whenever a text comes in, it reads you the text, it says who's it from, and it reads you the text without you even saying anything. So really nice. And of course, Hey Siri built into them as well, so you don't have to pull out your phone and say Hey Siri, whatever. So very nice. The quality of the microphones are pretty good as well when you talk in the phone. So the one other thing that I don't like, now that I think about it, is you don't have volume control. So that's one thing that if you're constantly in an environment where you want to turn up and down your music, you just have to use Hey Siri. So kind of annoying, but then again, you don't want too many controls there, because you get mixed up and you'll do the wrong thing or whatever. So otherwise, I think that's it. Thanks for joining me here. As you can see, this is my video setup, so different background than you guys are probably used to. But make sure you guys consider subscribing, give this video a like, and share it if you know everybody that wants new Apple AirPods or just earbuds, because they are incredible. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you back in another video.